evaluate the integral of 1 over x times the square root of 9x squared minus 1 dx. So we can rewrite the integral first as the integral of 1 over x square root of 9x squared can be written as 3x quantity squared minus 1. Okay, so we can apply the integral shielding inverse second formula. Integral of du over u square root of u squared minus 1, it's equal to arc secant of u plus c. But we let u be equal to 3x first. So derivative of u du, derivative of 3x, that's 3 dx. So what we need is the dx. We eliminate the 3 here. We can divide both sides by 3. So we'll have 1/3 du is equal to dx. Let's substitute. So we have the integral of 1 over x. So we can solve for x here in terms of u. We can divide both sides by 3. Therefore, we have u over 3 is equal to x. So therefore, x is equal to u over 3 and then times the square root. The square root of 3x is u and then squared minus 1. Then the dx is 1/3 du. Notice that we can cancel out the 3 here. Right? So therefore, we'll have integral of 1 over u square root of u squared minus 1 du. And it's equal to arc secant of u plus c. Arc secant of u plus c. So the final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, 3x. So final answer will be arc secant of 3x plus c.